Welcome to What's in Your Cupboard. Non-perishables have a long shelf life and they're great for cooking quick and easy meals. I'm Ellen and I've seen your comments and pictures of what's in your cupboard, so I'm here to show you 3 amazing dishes that you can cook at home for the day. And the main ingredient of the day is Del Monte's mixed vegetables. I think for most of us, mixed vegetables equates to fried rice, but that's not the only dish you can cook with these. Del Monte's mixed vegetables are certified as the healthier choice by the Health Promotion Board for being lower in sodium. And they're shelf-stable and ready to eat at any time. No preparations or defrosting required. You can store them in your cupboard and that saves freezer space too. Now I can't wait for breakfast, so let's get started. Scramble Egg Red is a great grab-and-go breakfast option that you can meal prep the night before or on the day itself. It's very fast and easy to cook and delicious too. We're going to start by separating the mixed vegetables from the brine. Del Monte's mixed vegetables come in a convenient Tetra pack that's so easy to open. Just lift the tabs, squeeze, and tear it along the perforated lines. Be sure to pour away the brine and your Del Monte mixed vegetables are ready to be used. For these 3 recipes, we are only using 1 packet. That is 3 meals in 1 box. So now we're going to season our eggs. Just season them with the pepper and the salt. Then beat them together. Once it's done, let's start cooking. Put in your butter. And now add in a few tablespoons or 50 grams of your Del Monte's mixed vegetables. And cook it for a minute or 2 until it's warm. Now add in your eggs. If you're meal prepping for tomorrow, be sure to cook your eggs until they are a little more on the drier side so that you don't have a soggy wrap in the morning. Place the scrambled eggs in the middle of a wrap. Fold the sides inwards, then carefully roll the wrap up from the bottom. These might seem like a breakfast food, but I love scrambled eggs, so I'll eat it at any time of the day. I'm gonna eat it now. I love the crunch of the mixed vegetables. It breaks up the creaminess of the egg and the softness of the wrap. This is just a basic recipe, so you can always add more ingredients like cheese or bacon to the wrap. Let me know down in the comments what you will add. Now, let's move on to lunch. For lunch, we have a local Tzu dish called Mui Fan. If you have not heard of it before, just picture this. Take all that delicious gravy from Hor Fun and drizzle it over fried rice. Now, that's Mui Fan. Let's begin with the first step, that is to cook the rice. Cooking oil. Add in your rice. When your rice is warm, just add in your eggs. When your rice is jumping, you can season it with salt and pepper. So our fried rice is done. I'm going to scoop it into a bowl and plate later. Once I'm done with the rice, let's make our seafood gravy. Add some oil to the pan. Add your prawns to the pan. And add your squid. My seafood is done. I'm going to set them aside. In the same pan, no washing required, make your seafood gravy. Add in the garlic first. Stir fry your garlic for about a minute until it's fragrant, then add in your other ingredients. Add in your oyster sauce. 花雕酒 water and chicken broth. Mix your sauce together and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add in your corn flour water. Make sure to stir continuously when you're pouring in the corn flour water. Once your gravy has thickened, add in your mixed vegetables and your seafood. Just cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes to let the flavor come together and you're done. This classic dish has everything that you want. Vegetables, seafood, thick and delicious gravy, and egg fried rice. I'm drooling from the smell right now, so I'm gonna take a bite. I love how thick the gravy is. It's not thin like rice and soup, but thick and silky. And the crunch of the mixed vegetables really stands out. Just look at how colorful they are. This is a simple and delicious dish that you can make at home. Now, let's move on to dinner. The last dish of the day is Bakwan Kepiting, a traditional Piranha Can Soup. It features meatballs made from minced pork and crab meat topped with bamboo shoots. Today we're using minced chicken, but you can use any meat that you prefer. Let's begin with the first step. Oil, prawn heads, when your prawn heads has turned red, it's time to pour in your chicken stock. Now, let the soup simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of simmering, remove the prawn heads and skim the soup. Now that the soup is done, let's make our meatballs. Now we're going to make the meatballs. I'm just going to put all the ingredients into this bowl. Let's start with the chicken, minced prawns, crab meat, spring onion, Del Monte's mixed vegetable, egg yolk, pepper, salt, and corn flour to bind it all together. Now I'm just gonna mix it all together. Once that's mixed, knead them into balls. Now that our meatballs are done, I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to let the flavor come together, and we can move on to the next step. Now we're going to stir fry our vegetables before we put them into the soup. This will make the soup more flavorful. Let's start with the cooking oil, garlic, now add in your bamboo shoots. Remember to blanch them to get rid of the metallic taste before you stir fry them. Stir fry for 1 minute, then add the carrots. Stir fry them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are half cooked, then we can add them into the soup. Bring the soup down to a simmer, then gently add in your meatballs. Take care not to break them. Add more water if needed. Now let the meatballs simmer for 35 minutes. The soup looks so rich and the meatballs are very colorful. I can't wait to dig in. So I'm going to take a bite right now. The soup is super flavorful and the meatballs are the perfect combination of crunchy and tender. If you like some spice, you can serve the meatballs with some sambal belacan. So these are our 3 dishes that we have for Del Monte's mixed vegetables. A super versatile ingredient that you can use in many dishes from breakfast to dinner. So if you enjoyed these recipes, be sure to give us a thumbs up, like the video and share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to subscribe to Chef Food Singapore and click that notification bell so that you get notified every time that we post. Until then, keep indoors, keep cooking and keep safe. See you guys next time. Bye!